First, I want to get into this beautiful wall art behind me. I want to thank VinchyArt for sponsoring this portion of the video. VinchyArt is a company that specializes in wall art. It's handcrafted, made to order. And what I love about VinchyArt is that everything is customized. Before they ship out your artwork, they will send you a picture to see if you want to make any tweaks. And after that, it takes about 3 to 7 days for you to receive your order. It comes protected in another cardboard box. It's very hard, so I didn't have any issues. And another thing is that they also include gloves, nails, and everything that you need to hang your wall art. I love this. It's like a statement piece in my living room right now. Y'all know I'm getting it together, but it's absolutely beautiful. It kind of reminds me of like mountains, kind of like a 3D type of look. So I chose a gold frame just so that it can make the painting pop a little bit more. You do have other options, I believe, that you can choose from.